You can chase a contract or you can build a company with your name on it. Shedeur Sanders did both. I'm about to break the play down to you. Stay tuned. I'm helping 1,000 athletes make $1 million a year outside the sport. Join the People First Collective. Hit some of them links down below. You can find me on all social medias. I ain't hard to find, you dig? Stats and wins are rented. Brand is owned. Shedeur understood that play early. It's about ownership. Owning your name, image, and likeness. Deion Sanders, you one of the best football players, arguably, of all time. And that's his son. He a quarterback. He been rocking with brands. He been in the spotlight. He never ran from it. He's been led by his great dad, mentored and pedigreed and built for this kind of stuff. He understand brand early. He unapologetically himself. And that's when you get paid. So whether he play another snap, it's not about if he good or bad. This is purely about the brand of Shedeur Sanders, the business behind the name. All the other play and stats that come and go, don't get into the politics. But I'm talking straight about the brand. This is how you launch a brand. Look at Shedeur Sanders. He's doing an amazing job of this. Let's get into it. Let's take it back to college. Public valuations put Shedeur Sanders at a multi-million-dollar NIL status at his peak. That's not luck. That's a system. He had $5 million in 2004, according to On3. He was valued at $5 million in 2024. That was just last year. I think that was one of the highest NIL deals out there. He had partners with Brady Brand, Beats by Dre, a whole other deals. He was active on TikTok, YouTube, had a lot of numbers on that. Like, he had a big following on all his social medias already. So he was a walking brand. I'm sure if you look into his views and his impressions and anything he posts, he was getting big numbers on it already. So this kid was already a walking billboard, walking brand, where brands and markets and advertisers wanted to get behind him and give him dollars to promote their products and services or whatever they were trying to do. So one of the biggest NIL valuations ever, a $5 million walking business. That's in college before he even went to the league. So think about it. In college, he was worth more than, my power just went out. It's a storm. But in college, he was already worth more than most draft picks that were in the league. Even first 2 years, like, he was more money than the people that was already in the NFL, which is kind of crazy to think about. The Shedeur method in one line: seize the moment, package the moment, multiply the moment. You got to seize the moment. Shedeur been in the spotlight his whole life. His dad is Deion Sanders, so he already know the notoriety, the publicity, everything that's going to come into that. But he doesn't try to act like his dad. He's his own self. He's the quarterback. He's the leader of the team. He goes out, performs well, and multiplies it. He turns the criticism. He's a master communicator. He's media trained. He was raised like that. He's doing this since a kid. He's the wealthy kid. You know what I'm saying? He's a good player, and he's a better businessman off the field. So however you feel about him, you can't deny the brand. You can't deny the bill. Get paid to be yourself. I preach this all the time in all these videos. How else would you want to get paid to be yourself? But business behind it, he's handling business, selling jerseys, doing brand deals. He's getting it done. It's not luck. He knows how to frame his story. He adds the story. He draws attention to the offers, the packages, the publishing. He gets his brand deals. He drops a line. It's framing. It's packaging. He's repeating this process over and over, getting the views, turning them to money, turning them to brand deals, and he never lets a good opportunity go to waste. Already been a creator. Film study is the market research. Game plan is your content calendar. Post-game review is your retention fix. Study, plan. We've been playing football our whole life. Just do your videos the same way. Me making this video is just a rep. That first day you went in the weight room, you didn't get the muscles. You had to go 100 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days to see different results from when you first walked in. That's the same with this content. Build the content muscle up and up and up. It's film study, it's film sessions, review the film, break down the film, post the film over here. You know, it only gets better with time. You weren't the best athlete on the field the first day you worked. I was. A lot of y'all, I was. But most of y'all weren't the best athlete. So you had to put that work in. The same thing with this. Put that work in, building your personal brand, launching it, taking it serious, making it happen. This is Shedeur's revenue stack, what kids should copy. He stacked his income streams that didn't need a playbook or a play call. He got sponsors, merch, speaking, digital. His sponsor brand partnerships: Brady Brand, Beats, Gatorade. He uses his momentum, deliverables, reels, appearances, co-branded drops. That's what you want. Merch, jerseys. Post-draft surge proves that Bramstreet converts to purchases. He's using that attention to hype his sales up his jersey. He was a 5th-round draft pick. There's no way he's supposed to have the most jersey sales going. It's the brand that comes with that. Nobody wants a 5th-round draft pick. I've never seen a 5th-round draft pick jersey be in the top 3 sales amongst rookie. That's usually the 1st-round draft pick, the number 1 overall draft pick. That proves that his brand is bigger in the brand. He's made more money already off of selling jerseys than most people's NFL contract their first year. So he's a 5th-round draft pick getting 1st-round money off the field. No matter the politics, no matter how I look at the business around it. Digital. He's done playbook, clinics, QB reads, camps, recovery stacks, film breakdowns, speaking appearances, school visits, camps, NIL education panels. This is what you guys have to do to build your brand off the way. Go meet with people, make stuff happen. Appear, shake hands, network, meet people, get outside your comfort zone. Shedeur does a great job of that. What you talking about? He agree with what Shedeur talking about, so let's get it. The watch lesson. You all remember Shedeur held up the AP like this. That picture went viral and crazy. He made a watch viral because the story was sticky, not the price. Pick a symbol for your brand. What's the symbol for your brand? What's your signature thing around your brand? A watch, a notebook. Your knuckles, your helmet, how you wear it, whatever it is, repeat it, make it memorable, tied to a principle. Kids remember symbols. I got my baby dressed like Elvis today. Boy got his shirt open like he Elvis or something. But yeah, definitely symbol for your brand. Make it noticeable. Watch, car, shoes, saying, catchphrase, symbol, logo. Really tie that. Kids gonna remember that in this day and age. Memes sell. He do this. This is his signature move now when he throw up the wrist. So make your brand memorable. Make something happen. Be memorable. Don't be boring. Find you a content pillar, a meme pillar, and build a brand on it, a tagline, a catchphrase, something you get known for over and over. I process the 1-hour system. This is how you do it. Keep telling y'all, 5 to 10 minutes, ChatGPT, get your idea. I came up with this idea thinking about seeing all the Shedeur news. I wanted to break down how Shedeur went pro online. I'm going to do this with other college quarterback athletes as well. Hey, let me make a video on Shedeur. He's going crazy, making it happen. I think I'm going to do Arch Manning, Marcel Reed. I'm going to pick a lot of college athlete stars that I really got my eye on that are taking advantage of building their brand online beyond the sports. You dig what I'm saying? They transcending beyond the sports, making it happen. And that's what you do. So find your idea, think on it. Record it, lay it down, get your script ready, lay it down. That's 10 to 15 minutes to record. Take that, upload it to YouTube, get the link from YouTube, throw it in the Opus clip. We're going to chop it down to shorts, reels, whatever you want to call it. We're going to post those reels all over the place. We're going to use Opus clip to schedule it, bulk schedule it. Go into Opus clip, bulk schedule. One click, I've scheduled all my posts to all my different platforms. My baby trying to jump out his chair back there. Next, distribution. We're going to track it. We're going to track our results, reach out to people. All that should take you an hour. It's take time. I didn't get it in an hour at first, but I refined my process. So if you book a link with me, I can show you how to do it with you. I could do it for you and show you the process of kind of how to come up with these videos, create, and make it happen. So yeah, make sure you recording. The only way you're going to get good at this is repetition. So 100 videos, don't talk to me unless you got 100 videos. I don't want to work with nobody with under 100 videos. If you're just getting started, it's going to cost you. This learning curve, it took me 2, 3, 4, 5 years. You want to get in the video? Saint trying to get active in the video back there. But yeah, we may happen. Let's get it. Hook with a visual moment. Open a curiosity loop. Build anticipation, pay it off, be likable, but deliver revelations weekly. Shedeur knows how to do this, but it helps. He has his own brother with him, his own media company. His dad had a great social media program to follow them around. Cameraman, kids. If you got an NIL, if you getting these 500,000, $1 million a year, invest in you a social media content creator. Got to follow you around, catch your every moment, document your life. This is a once in a lifetime process that you're living through. Document everything. Get you a cameraman, do it, go to the dorm, do everything that you do while you on that college campus living, document it, post it online. So while you're getting all these bucks, invest in a cameraman, build your brand up, have them follow you around college, go to campus, go to class, go to parties, do everything that you want, get you a social media manager, and do this full time. Create content, document your life, show others how you got to where you're getting to. It's only going to help you. It's not going to hurt you. So build signature moves, signature moments, deal maker mode. Attention is leverage. Leverage deals. Leverage packages, partners, offer packages, the way an agent would put, but not in public. Sponsorship package. Let companies know you'll post them one long form video, 6 reels, 1 live, a results tie. A lot of brands are going to want to work with you if you're a superstar athlete. It's not going to be hard to find. You pick the brands that align with you. If you got a big social media following, ding, ding, the key to getting these deals in 2025, 26. If you already got 100,000, 500,000, 1 million followers, these brands are going to be breathing down your wall. Why do you think pushing social media on these kids? If you got 1,000 followers, but you're a 5-star athlete and nobody knows about you, you think you're going to get a lot of brand deals? Or what about this 3-star kid who got 500,000 followers? Now, you might be better, but he going to get more views, more attention, more money generated just because he got a bigger following. Don't let him even start to ball out. Who going to make the most money? They're going to want the attention on their brand and on their ding. If I can get more eyeballs to somebody's product, they're going to want me or they're going to want the better athlete. You got to think about it through a business lens. Look at the local collabs you can do. Gyms, recovery, nutrition, fashion, car dealerships, lawyers. I live in Atlanta, so I see a lot of billboards. A lot of law offices got kids from UGA up there on their billboards. They working it. Fan offers, clinics, breakdowns, community questions and answers, signing autographs. It's so many ways to monetize your name, image, and likeness as a kid, as a superstar athlete. So do it. But I would start by building that brand online, going pro online, and letting the chips fall where they matter. When you stiff arming me, bro, chill out. What you got to say? You ain't got nothing to say? We don't chase. We attract through proof. Proof, receipts, consistency. Post weekly. That's proof. Posting brand deals, brand sponsorships. That's proof. Who want to do it? Training logs, retention gains, practice, community screenshot, proof compounds. So show that work that you out there doing in the community. Show your life. Get you a cameraman. I'm telling you, that's going to be the best investment. If you're making $500,000 a year, you got $1,000 a month to spend on a cameraman. I'm telling you, you got whatever the cameraman will go to the local communications lab at the school, find an internship, find a little kid that wants to work with you and just work with them, create content, tell them to build your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that, create you some content to get your stuff up. It's not that hard. Just get the record, document, you'll figure out your flow. Just hit the button, record. Copy this right now and you'll feel the shift. Record 1 day a week. Just go as long as you can on camera. Cut it up into reels. Schedule it across all platforms. Do the 10-10-10 DMs, 10 to partners, podcasts. Reach out to 10 different people. Whether you call them, text them, email them, DM them. I don't care how you find them. Reach out to 10 people on each platform. Phone, email, text messages. Reach out to, so that's a total of 30 people. Reach out to them, make it happen, and figure it out. But yeah, copy that and tell me what you come up with. He out here screaming. Numbers kids need to hear. Stop worshiping stats you don't control. Build the stats you do. You know what I'm saying? Build the stats. That's your social media following. That's your audience. That's how many sales you make. NIL valuation proves brand power in college. Brand partners validate marketability. The NFL rookie jersey rank shows the conversion of intention to purposes. You dig what I'm saying? This is for high school and college kids. You can build your audience and offers now. You don't need a contract to sell these products. You don't need that. If you got 100,000 followers or you build your following up while you in high school and all this stuff, it's going to take you to the next level. They're going to throw money at you if you got a big audience, a big reach, a big ranking. It all goes hand in hand with business. But if you just want to be great on football, there's nothing wrong with that. Focus on the game. Don't do none of this. Don't get no cameraman. Don't get no social media training. But if you want to be next level, hit me. You know what? I ain't hard to find. Find me on all social media platforms. Tell your agent, tell your mama, tell your daddy to reach out to me. You dig what I'm saying? I done did this before. I done went to the league. I done started businesses. You dig what I'm saying? So get in touch with me. Get in with me. Lock in with me. But high school kids, college kids, build that audience. Take it serious. Get to the money. Don't let the money get to you. Look at that boy sleepy. Because he finna get to the money. St. Cairo gonna get to the money whether I ain't even care if my kid plays sports because he gonna know how to do this online sauce. You dig what I'm saying? Ain't that right? Hey, give me that. Fame fades. Ownership pays. You need equity. Email, community. You want equity in the business. You don't want to be just the popular person with a lot of likes and mentions and comments and all that stuff. You don't want to be that guy. You want to have equity in whatever you're doing, brand and building businesses. You want to email list. You want to collect as many emails as you can. You want to build a community around you. People who like you for you, your personality, not just what you can do on the field. You want to get the people that are really attracted to you. Email list. Build your own community. Build your own products. Teach the difference between a check and a customer. So you want to sell your merch. If you like clothes, you can't think of service you want to offer, sell clothes. Get fresh. Get full clothes on, go play the game, and promote your brand every day, whether it's clothes, hats, shoes, socks, whatever merch you can build, do that. Look at him. Yeah. But yeah, build your own brand, build your own merch, customers, community, people to buy from you, not just be your fans and click on your pictures and likes and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to learn more how to do this, I teach this in the People First Collective, 1 hour a week content. We build it with you, templates, call, checklists, results that are book deals. Parents, if you're watching this for your kid, hit me up. We can figure out how to build your kids' brands, invest in themselves, especially if they get $300, $500, $1 million a year in that NIL money. They need to build their own serious brand. Don't you got to build your brand? See, he's building his brand right now. He already on his brand, getting his screen time in. Reach out to me. I ain't hard to find. Hit the link down below and let's get it.